making today, Raymond?
Rainbow clouds experiment.
Rainbow cloud experiment. Okay, so hold on, give it 1 second. Let's see what we got. What do we have here? We have shaving cream,
Food coloring.
food coloring. What are these called?
A strap.
Those are jumbo eyedroppers. How do they look? Show us how they look. Wait, okay. We squirted that in there. It wasn't time, but it's okay. So first, let's hold on 1 second. Let's put these over here. What are we gonna put in our water?
Here.
What are we gonna put in our water? We're going to put shaving cream. And it's gonna be the clouds of the rainbow. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Are you ready, Raymond?
Yes. But I don't want to drink it in here. I just want to do it.
All right, and let's
Go.
go. All right, let's put the shaving cream.
Oh, mommy. Look at
It's gonna be our cloud to make our rainbow. Yay! All right.
Look at me.
All right. So now we're going to get our dropper. No, put some on your hand.
Why?
Get an eyedropper. And we're going to get the colors and we're gonna squirt them in. Let mommy try the blue.
Let me try the blue.
And watch how it goes through here. Go ahead, Raymond, you go. Squirt it in. Whoa. All right, let's try red. What do you think, red? Oh, you got green?
Red and green, what makes?
Let's see. I don't know that. What color that makes? What do you think?
Green and blue makes black.
It's like a brown. Oh, I don't know why you mixed it there, but it's okay. All right, we made a new batch. So Raymond's going to mix. What other color do you want to use now? Turn around. What color do you want to mix now? In with the blue.
With the blue and the green?
Do you want to put in a green? Okay, get green from your dropper. All right, and then put it in. Let's see what it does. Whoa. That's a rainbow cloud. All right, let's try another color next. What about yellow?
Let's see.
Let's try yellow.
Yellow one letter makes.
Let's see. Throw in the yellow there. Here we go. Oh, how cool. I see kind of like green blue in there. Alright, here we go. Remember, squirt it inside, not everywhere. Look at that. OMG. Inside the...
Red and, Mommy, what red and green makes?
It made like a blackish, brownish color. Try to see if you throw in that red, see what it does. Whoa, it made like a purple. You saw that?
Yes.
So red and blue make purple.
Yeah, let's see.
All right, let's see. Let's put in some of this green. Green, yellow. Oh my God, this is yellow.
Yeah, and blue makes.
Look like a green, like a light green. Whoa, did you put in that red again? Let's try this blue again.
Let's try this.
Ooh. Like what?
Candy popcorn.
You like candy popcorn? This reminds you of candy popcorn? That looks like... I don't know. It's a clown, but what do you think it looks like?
Candy popcorn.
Candy popcorn. It looks like intestines. Ew, like a brain.
Hey!
What?
Do you eat shaving cream?
No, you don't eat shaving cream, silly. You get sick. Oh, it has a lot of chemicals. No way. You can play with it, but you don't eat it.
Huh?
What color does that look like? It looks like a brown.
Yes, you can.
Oh, it's like all the colors mixed in together.
Mommy can play with it.
I don't know. It looks like muddy water. All right, Raymond, did you like this experiment?
Yes.
So what did you learn from this experiment?
Some colors, some of these, and some of this.
So when you mix colors together, you get different colors, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Alrighty.
Bye.
Say bye, friends.
Bye,
Thank you for watching.
So,
Bye.